નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Welcome students to sixth part of 15th chapter Light of Standard 7th Science. From last many parts we are understanding the light, property of light, something like that, and about the mirror. We were working on the plane mirror, isn't it? And from that we conclude that from last many activities we conclude that in plane mirror the image is formed behind the mirror. It is erect, of the same size. Image formed behind the mirror, it is erect and of the same size and is at the same distance from the mirror as the object is in front of it, and the image is laterally inverted. That is what we discussed from last some parts, we can say. Now in this part we are going to discuss these spherical mirrors. So the name of this part or the new point is playing with spherical mirrors, which is on the page number 179 in your textbook also. So open page number 179 in your textbook and let's start with that. Paheli and Bujo were waiting for their dinner. They were on the dining table, isn't it, dinner table, and they were waiting for their dinner. Bujo lifted a stainless steel plate and saw his image in it. Now you know the stainless steel plate, it is a plane surface. So what Bujo did do? Bujo lifted a stainless steel plate and saw his image in it. Oh, this plate is act as a plane mirror. This plate is act as a plane mirror. Why? Because the surface of the plate is plane and shining. That is why it will work as a plane mirror. My image is erect and is of the same size. See, as the plate is working as a mirror, then we know the image formed by the mirror or the plate must be erect, and of the same size. That is we know. Paheli saw her image using a back of a steel spoon. Now the next thing is starting. It is what Paheli did do. Paheli saw her image using the back of a steel spoon. Bujo, so she is telling to Bujo, look here. I can also see my erect image. Through it is smaller in size. This spoon also act as mirror of some kind. See, now Paheli also have stainless steel spoon, isn't it? And let me tell you, this is not that much shining spoon, just to make you understand. Now show her image using back side. Now see, this is the back side of the spoon and this is the front side, or we can say inner side of the spoon. Now where Paheli did see her image? At the back side of the spoon, or we can say outer side of the spoon. And from there, looking into that, Paheli found that through it is that image through this outer side is smaller in size. This spoon also acts as a mirror. Okay, you can also use a spoon or any curved shining surface to see your image. Okay, now there is activity 5. To observe the image formed by spherical mirrors. Now I know that you don't know what are spherical mirrors. We come to know after a while. But by this time, let's discuss activity 5, which is available in your textbook also. In which, what to do? The procedure. Take a stainless steel spoon, bring the outer side of the spoon near your face and look into it. Do you see your image in it? Is the image different from that you see in the plane mirror? Is this image erect? Is the size of the image the same, smaller or larger? So there are many questions. See, first of all, what you will do, you will take a spoon, isn't it? And now bring the outer side. Once again, let me tell you, see, this is a spoon, then this is the outer side and this is the inner side. Okay. Now what you have to do, bring the inner side. Bring the inner side of the spoon near your face. Look into it. Now if I look into it, do you see your image in it? Now it is very much possible to see the image. I am trying to make you understand through this. I can see my image in this, but let's see whether it is possible to see my image. Can you see? I can see my image into this, but I hope, is it possible for you? See, because of this light coming from there, it is not. Now is it possible for you? See, you can you see my image in this? As my hand is also there, my hand is also there, and my face is also there. As it is not shining that much, let me tell you, the spoon is not shining that much, but you can see my image. See, my head is, I am moving my head, so you can see my, same way you will have to see your image. But have you seen, in looking into my image, is the image is erect? Yeah, it was erect. Is the size of the image the same? No, the size of the image is not same. It is smaller than my face. It is smaller than the image of my face, isn't it? Okay. Now look at your image using the inner side of the spoon. Now look at your image using the inner side, this side. Okay. This time you may find that your image is erect and larger inside. If you will keep something at this difference, at this distance, then what you will feel or what you will find, this time you may find that your image is erect and larger in size. If you increase the distance of the spoon from your face, you may see your image inverted. See, by this time the image of my face is erect and larger in size. Then if I will increase the distance of the spoon from my face, then after some time at some distance, you may, if you will do like this, at some distance you will find the image is inverted. The image is inverted by this distance. See, this time I can see this image is inverted here inside. You can also compare the image of your pen and pencil instead of your face. You can see your pencil and pen also into this if this spoon is shining. Okay. Now, the curved shining surface of a spoon acts as a mirror. See, this is curved. You can see this is curved. This is not that much shining, but the spoon surfaces always are curved, isn't it? And that shining curved surface acts as a mirror. The most common example of a curved mirror is a spherical mirror. So, what is spherical mirror? curved mirror is known as a spherical mirror. One of the point I give you that what is spherical mirror? Okay. In the reflecting surface of a spherical mirror is concave. If the reflecting surface of a spherical mirror is concave, it is called a concave mirror. If the reflecting surface of convex is convex, then it is called convex mirror. Okay. So a concave and a convex mirror. So let me make you understand. Suppose this surface is like this, so let me tell you, this is inner side of this spoon. So how it will look like? See, this will be something like this, as this is inner side, isn't it? And so this is concave mirror. Concave mirror. Okay, this is concave mirror, and if see, this is the surface, this is the outer surface, then if I give something like this, then it will be same as it is. But now this outer side is working as a mirror, so this side let me put these lines. So this is convex. This is convex. So this is convex mirror and this is concave mirror. Okay. Sorry. Convex mirror. Okay. So this is concave mirror and this is convex mirror. Okay. Now there is something on the next page also. Let's see that the inner surface of a spoon acts like a concave mirror, while the outer surface acts like a convex mirror. We know that the image of an object formed by a plane mirror cannot be obtained on a screen. Let us investigate if it is also true for image formed by concave mirror. Okay. That is what we will discuss after a while. Before that, let's go for this observation. What we look into the mirror from inner side and outer side, and what is our conclusion. So observation is that the image formed on the outer side of the spoon is erect and smaller in size. Outer side. This is outer side. Is erect and smaller in size. As the image formed on the inner side, on the inner side of the spoon is erect and enlarged. If it is a few distance, at the few distance, then it is erect and enlarged. When the inner surface of the spoon is moved away from the face, the image becomes inverted. The image becomes inverted. Okay, that is what our observation was there. And see the conclusion. The outer side of the spoon acts like a convex mirror. The outer side of the spoon acts like a convex mirror. This type. Okay. Whereas the inner side of the spoon acts like a concave mirror. This type of spoon. Inner side. This type of spoon. The image formed by the convex mirror is erect, virtual and smaller in size than the object. The image formed by the concave mirror is, so inner side of this concave mirror is real and inverted. When the object is placed very close to the concave mirror, this image formed is virtual, erect and magnified. So if it is at far, then the image is smaller and inverted, but if it is near the face, then or near the object, then the image formed is virtual and erect and magnified. Means more than the size of the object, that is magnified. Okay, so that we have come to know about concave, what are concave mirror, what are convex mirror, and which type of images are formed by the concave and convex mirrors. Okay, in the next part, we will go for that the image on object formed by a plane mirror cannot be obtained on the screen, that we know. But let us investigate if it is also true for image formed by a concave mirror, whether it can be it can be formed or we can get on the screen or not. Okay, that is what we will do in the next part. By this time we are ending this part, and try to go for this activity at your home and try to understand the image formed by concave and convex mirror. Thank you. Thank you for joining us. Take care of yourselves, and we'll meet you in the next session. Thank you.